I video. This is gonna be Jordan and Friends extra probably. I don't really know how long extras are gonna be. They're extras, they're how long I make them. Honestly, any video on this thing is gonna be how long I make them, and that's just it.
Period.
Today, tonight actually, because it's like
nighttime.
it is.
We need aprons for our cooking video.
Literally, I've never met a more stupid person in my entire life. I literally turned off Ellie's phone before I turned it to the camera. Like, I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
So, we're gonna be making a cookie in
The microwave.
the microwave. We put aprons on. Ellie is struggling a little bit. The apron is too big for her. It's okay.
Ingredient.
Brown sugar.
Yay.
Baking powder.
Yeah.
Chocolate chips. These are the things you're gonna need.
Also salt.
Salt. Vanilla. We also have sugar. But it's
What bucket of sugar? I stand on those things because I'm too short and I stand on them to reach something in the pantry.
Literally, Ellie and I were too tired to be doing this at this time, so that explains a lot, not gonna lie.
It's okay.
The wrong ball.
It's extra brown.
I called that one.
Oh yeah, well mine has more sugar. Wow, look at that.
I thought it was 2.
It's 1. Did you put 2 in there?
I don't remember.
I'm probably gonna poison them down.
I don't remember. Oh no, I did 2 of brown.
What? What'd you do 2 of?
Oh no.
You're supposed to do 3 flour. I don't know what's happening, but I'm kind of scared.
Yeah.
We're gonna mix it up in the microwave and then we'll never know which one is the bad one.
At the same time?
Yeah. Then, oh, that's too much salt.
Are you trying to give me?
Trying to get revenge.
What do you get when you have too much sodium?
Hi, James. I think we're sending this to you, but I don't know. I ruined one of the cookies. And this one has too much vanilla. But it's okay. Top Chef 2020. That looks horrible. That's the sad part. And we're like, vanilla smells really good. It probably tastes good too. It tasted horrible, but we drank it.
And what is vanilla?
Oh, alcohol. I'm gonna get kicked out of the church. Oh, what's wrong with me?
Water. I need water before.
I'm gonna milk for myself. Well, okay, cookies. That's water.
A mug. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate?
Like a 5 or 6 maybe? I don't know.
I personally don't really like it.
Yours is more doughy than mine.
Yeah, I feel like whenever you microwave foods, it just gives it a weird texture in general. I'd probably give it like a 3.3 or 3.5.
Just because it's like solely the texture, but also we kind of messed up on making both of these with too much vanilla and too much sugar.
Yep.
I don't know. And
then too much microwaving for this one.
yeah, hers is a little,
Put it in for 30 extra seconds.
and mine's a little, it's like the ingredients don't really mix together on this one.
Yeah.
I don't know. Definitely, you could use the same recipe and probably put it in like a toaster oven and it would work better.
Why did you put? Oh, toaster oven. I thought it was my toaster.
That's all. So, peace out. I look like I want to die. Period.